Did you know that 68% of people say they tune out a video if the voiceover sounds robotic? If that's you, you're not alone. Let's face it, robotic voiceovers can kill engagement. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, an online course, or a podcast, a mechanical voice can turn off viewers faster than you can say text-to-speech. Ignoring this issue could mean you're missing out on connecting with your audience, losing out on views, and ultimately costing you potential revenue. Don't let a robotic voice knock your content down a peg. Enter Speechelo, the software that's turning heads with its ability to produce human-like voiceovers. In just 3 clicks, you can have a natural-sounding voiceover that keeps your audience hooked from start to finish. Speechelo supports 30 different languages, making it perfect for reaching a global audience. No more language barriers standing between you and your viewers. With its AI-powered technology, Speechelo tailors the tone and inflection to suit your script, giving life to your words. Imagine a voiceover that sounds like it was recorded by a professional, without ever stepping into a studio. Users are raving about Speechelo, with thousands of 5-star reviews highlighting its ease of use and remarkable voice quality. In fact, 85% of users report increased engagement on their content. Ready to elevate your content with Speechelo? Click the link in the description to get started and see the difference for yourself. And act fast, because demand is skyrocketing.